Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a special collaboration and it's called the Annual All White Open Collaboration Invite, and that's hosted by Sophisticated Ladies Club. Okay, now the members of this group is Tammy from Tammy Thompson, Robin from Table Talk with Robin, Tamara, Lovemybabiesforever, I love that, and Penny from At Penny's Place. So I'm going to be linking the members down below along with their channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, head on over to the playlist, and let's have some fun. Okay, so in this video, I decided to make a couple of DIYs, and then we're going to be decorating a tier tray. How exciting. Now, the main color is white, but my pop color is gold. I did add a black pumpkin, but let's jump into this video because I'm really excited about it. So as you can see here, I am painting that galvanized metal planter in white. I did paint that pumpkin in white also, and now we're going to be adding some gold glitter to these beautiful leaves that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. So remember that all the items that I'm using to create this craft will be listed in the description box below. So after that white paint dried on that pumpkin, I decided to go ahead and embellish a little bit using the gold beads that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so now after that paint dried on that galvanized bucket, I decided to go around it with this really pretty bee ribbon that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. And then we're going to finish off embellishing this with that sunflower. So what I did is I took that blessing sign outside, I spray painted it with the metallic gold. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this tier tray together, and I'm absolutely loving, wait till you see the gold leaves on this tier tray. I think it came out so beautiful. Okay, so I want to take a moment and thank the Sophisticated Ladies Club for hosting this collaboration. I absolutely enjoyed it, and I hope you guys did too. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Now here is the reveal of the tier tray.